To add an extra layer of security to your account, you can link Google Authenticator to your profile. The first step is to access your account and navigate to the security section, which can be done on either the website or the mobile app. Once in the security section, locate the Authenticator app option and click on the Setup button next to it. This will prompt you to set up the Authenticator app by scanning a QR code. Using Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon and select Scan a QR code to begin the setup process. After scanning the code, you will be asked to save a setup key and then verify your identity through an email verification process. To complete the verification, copy the code provided and return to your account to paste it in, along with the code generated by the Authenticator app. Once you've completed these steps, Google Authenticator will be linked to your account, and you will be required to use it when logging in. The Authenticator app option will now display different settings, such as the ability to turn it off or change it, indicating that the setup is complete.